Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone! We just wanted to thank you so much for supporting our channel this year. We hope you're having a great holiday. And Josh put together a little blooper reel.
I did. We had quite a few bloopers this year, so so enjoy the bloopers. And after the bloopers, we're doing our holiday giveaway.
Yes, we're announcing the winner!
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned!
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Josh, what are we making?
We are making chewy...
I fell off.
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Howdy everybody! Why did I sound like a cartoon?
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hello!
So, we are doing something...
I started talking.
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everybody!
So now we're gonna make...
You do that a lot. Are we still talking about our cats?
Yes, we are.
Or those people?
So now it's... Oh, dang it.
Sorry.
That got me in my head.
Here's the rewind sound. Ready?
Why are you making fun of me? So I'm trying to make a point.
I can't talk. That little sounds like ew. Ew. Okay, don't do it anymore. You like be me. So anyway, like what? Get it on my plate. I want it on my plate. Can I have some dough?
Not yet.
Pie
Not
crust.
yet.
I want pie crust in my belly. Microwave, are you in the microwave? I'm really excited to eat my donut. That also means I'm gonna eat a little
No,
icing.
you can't eat this icing.
I'm gonna
You
eat
need
some
it all.
icing.
There, or something. All right. All right, perfect. It's gonna be a good day on Baking with Josh and Ange. All right. Okay, so we are going to take our...
Ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Set.
Bake! Is this the first show you guys have done? This is the first one.
What if you went to labor right now?
I'd be
Oh my
so
gosh.
happy.
I can do it.
I'd be so happy.
This is your recipe. This is yours.
Hey guys.
I'm just
Yeah.
pointing out my differences. Subtle
do
or
what
not.
you want. I mean,
I
if you want it to
feel
taste
really-
better, do this one.
I feel really uncomfortable right now, you guys.
Welcome to Baking with Josh and Jan.
Yeah, that's Janet. That's Janet's show. She's been hitting
I've
it
been
hard.
wanting to.
So now that we took them up,
We used to keep Grandma in the basement and she would
did
make the
not.
flan and she would send it up on a dolly system.
People get frisky at Halloween.
Frisky in the costumes. Role playing.
No, I can't. I can't think about it.
Family show.
Family show. Family show. You do that.
It's gonna be labor. You get so many views.
I'll get the gloves. Let me scoop some out for you, Janet.
Thank you. No, excuse me.
Burping when putting forth.
And just taste that for it.
No! Blah.
Salmonella!
This is for my pelvic pain.
Oh my gosh, you're like tickling my ear.
It reminded me of a meeting I had with Harvey Weinstein
Oh,
back when I
Jesus.
first got here. And I was a young buck and I was dead teeth for money.
Oh my god.
Would you rather see Josh's healthy burrito? That sounds dirty.
good?
I have a big mouthful. Actually. Hey, hey!
Get that tip in there.
If your balls are not the same size, it is okay. And I
It's
mean
okay.
that truly.
You mean that truly?
Yeah.
I really do.
For cake balls or
Any balls.
any balls in your life.
You're way better at tossing salad than I am.
I don't know. That could be that's what she said. I don't know. Now I use my finger.
That's
now
fine.
it's disgusting.
Use your finger. That's what she said.
I put a really big thing in my mouth. Sorry.
That's what she said. Make sure that tips all the way in there. I know. So now we're gonna make the cake pop balls. I can't say that. I feel like you're gonna like zing
Just
me.
say it.
That's what she said.
Oh, what? That's so gross. That's too gross.
Now, oh my gosh.
Dang it. It's all about control, Angela.
Don't sound like a psycho.
Why are you making fun of me? I'm trying to make a point.
Oh, brain freeze. I think I took too big of a bite.
You can't find another word, for love.
Wow, we're getting deep
Right?
here. You can't sit food out in front of me because if you sit food out in front of me, I'm gonna eat it.
You want to score a touchdown at your next party? Score it with this buffalo chicken dip.
God! Why did you do that?
Okay guys, the cookies are done. They are. Why are you laughing?
Oh, it's a dream every day, baby.
it is.
You're living the life. Okay, it's holiday giveaway time. Yay! So we had like how many?
Oh my gosh, we had like almost 3,000 comments.
So many.
Telling us your holiday traditions. It was amazing.
It was amazing, and I started looking through them and I started laughing, and then I was also just so moved because so many of your traditions are really just special, and I cried.
Yeah,
Oh
she
my
did.
God, a few of them really made me
She did.
cry. You guys, you wrote in so many heartfelt things. One of them just made me cry. They're like bringing me Christmas cheer and making me appreciate what the holidays does and how it brings families together. So thank you for sharing. And so now we will announce the winner.
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
And the winner is Daniel Dayhart.
Daniel Dayhart!
Yay!
Daniel Dayhart!
Congratulations.
Yes, Daniel, I loved what you wrote about your Christmas mornings with your pawpaw, and totally made me cry. And I loved your love for family. So thank you so much for sharing your story. We hope you love the gifts.
Yes.
You have to send us a picture.
Please send us a picture.
You have to send us a picture, okay?
All right, thank you so much for watching Baking with Josh and Ange.
Thanks, you guys. We are gonna take a week off to spend time with our families, but we will see you in the new year. Mwah!
2019.
2019!
Let's do it.
Yes!